we're iBlock, and this is our ball shop. So for the brainstorming, we didn't really go with as many ideas as the other groups, or like start as many projects as the other group. We were gonna do the trebuchet, but we decided the catapult was more simple, and for that, we didn't know how to reload the balls onto there, so that's why we went with the catapult as well. And we wanted a model that would shoot the ball further, so we were definitely going for a distance when we started this project. And this is the beginning. Daniel and the boys worked on the actual thing, and then me and Elizabeth started on the ramp, but it was harder because I didn't play with Legos when I was a little girl at all.
So problems that we had, we ran out of parts really fast to do both pieces at the same time, so we had to be really creative on the ball loader mechanism. We started with 5 rubber bands, which was too much because it would launch so hard it would just collapse in on itself. And then we broke the string probably 10 times, at least 10 times. And then for our ball loaders, a ramp, and it started out pretty steep, and we had to decrease the angle.
Okay, so we did a bunch of problem solving to fix the firing. We tested using all sorts of different rubber bands that go down from like 2 to 7 to see how it handled, and we found out that if we took it down from 5 to 4 rubber bands, we probably lost maybe a foot of firing distance. Then also another problem we're having is that the actual bottom of the frame would like the flex as it pulls the arm down, and it wouldn't mount very stably and would be very wobbly on the table. And so we added tires on the 4 corners of our robot, which really helped stabilize it and keep it from rocking all over the place. The shooter was probably one of actually the hardest part to design. The rubber bands, Legos are not designed to take that much force. They like popping off, bending, twisting, torquing. And so we spent most of our first week or so just playing around with the shooter, using trial and error, firing it, loading it to figure out what to do to make it be strong. Eventually we made some pretty cool cross bracing and it held together really well now. And then also with our ramp, we were having all sorts of problems because the Legos can only go at certain angles. The only problem is the angle that the Legos can go at interferes with our loading mechanism. So we actually switched from using Legos as the device to use for a ramp on a robot, and we switched to using rubber bands as guide rails, which in the end worked out really, really well. And so those are some of the problems solutions.
And that's our final design, which you guys will see shoots shortly.
Okay.
Questions?
Any question? Yep. Thank you.